So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So to do this, it's pretty simple. So all you have to do is go to the sell button right here from Marketplace and then create a listing. So here you have your listing, so just create a listing. So it's going to be item, vehicle, and homes for sale or rent. Let's just say items right here. So basically, you're gonna sell on Facebook Place as a business. So you're gonna have to add photos, here your title, price, category, of course, condition, and your description. So basically, you can also hide this from your friends, and there's gonna be additional listing options. So here you're gonna have a lot of more options like public meetup, door pickup, door drop off, and many much more. So you can list this as in stock and you can publish this right away. So there you go guys, that's how you publish it and you can sell right there. So there you can also chat the answers, active listings is going to be here too, and your performance is going to be sold right here, and seller rating, so you can be as a business selling on Facebook. So this is how you do it guys. If this was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.